Hello guys, my name is Desapemeka, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make 1k to 10k dollars weekly or monthly by flipping IDOs. Presently I'm on the web page of Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is a platform where new project generates liquidity pool for their project. That is a project that is about to launch. They register with the Binance Launchpad to launch their tokens in a very good way, in such a way that the price of the coin will increase and increase. This is where the first investment into a coin is being taken place. BSC Launchpad, as the name implies, is owned by Binance Exchange. As we all know, the CEO of Binance Exchange is CZ. The information I want to share with you guys today is gotten from Mr. Nice. Mr. Nice is the champion of Breakout Nation. You can check him on his social, Mr. Nice, or on YouTube, Breakout Nation. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right to the business. Let me explain what Binance Launchpad is and what it actually does, and what you can actually do in this website. Now, if I jump here, Binance Launchpad is the first launchpad dedicated to launching projects on the Binance Smart Chain. That is to say, Binance Launchpad is dedicated for tokens under the BSC blockchain. That is the network. We have the Ethereum, we have the Polygon, we have so many of them, the Solana. So this one is basically for the Binance Smart Chain. Now, the BSC Launchpad is a platform where holders of token we have exclusive access to OTC prices on soon to be launching project. That is to say, you will be able to buy tokens at the first listing price. You understand? So you will gain access to buy a token at the listing price, and when the token pumps, you make profit. Okay? That process is called IDO pre-sale. So you participate in IDO pre-sales to receive those tokens. Now, what is an IDO? An IDO is a crypto token offering on a decentralized exchange, which is in short form is called DEX. Okay, so what you guys will be doing is creating liquidity pool for the project, that is for the new token. Okay, so you'll be participating in IDOs to make money, and this is where most big boys and whales make money from. Sometimes you go to coin market cap and you see a coin at, let's say, $10, and if you check the price history, you get to see that initially when the coin was listed on coin market cap, it was actually $1, and presently the price is at $10. You'll be wishing if you got in earlier and make profit. Okay, so this is where the BSC Launchpad comes to play. It gives you access to buy tokens at a very cheap rate and at the listing price. And once you buy a token from this BSC Launchpad, you are sure that that token price won't go back to the initial listing price. Never, because BSC Launchpad, they don't take projects that are weak. They look out for projects. They only accept projects that have strong foundation. Okay, so let me explain the different packages which you can subscribe for on the BSC Launchpad. Now, as you can see here on the screen, we have the first one, which is the bronze. Yes, I've highlighted it. The bronze. The requirement for the bronze is 1000 BSC Launchpad. Yes, BSC Launchpad token, 1000 BSC Launchpad token. And the staking length period, 3 hours before allocation round opens. Okay, so you get to buy the token 3 hours before the token is being launched. Now, for you to gain access to buy the coin, you are required to like, comment, and retweet on the social post of the project. Now, you know, most projects, most coins that are yet to be listed, or new coins that are yet to be listed, you do see them. They do have Twitter account, IG account, stuff like that. So for you to be whitelisted, for you to, even after having 1000 BSC Launchpad, okay, so for the project to give you access, and the access they'll give you is one under this bronze. For you to gain access, you have to like and comment on their post before you be qualified. Okay, why the second one is the silver. Now, in this silver, you gain 3 lottery tickets. Okay, but you also require to like, comment, and retweet like the other bronze. And for the gold, you need to have 5,000 BSC Launchpad. Now, we need to know how much is BSC Launchpad at today price. Okay, presently, if I go to my coin market cap, BSC Launchpad is approximately 52 cents. If I'll do my calculation here, the first one, which is the bronze, is 1,000. So I'll say 1,000 BSC Launchpad times 0.522. Okay, so you require for you to get into the bronze package, you need $522. Now this is small money and it requires work. Sometimes you may not even gain access into the IDO, into the pre-sale. Okay, while you can do the maths for this silver and the gold. Now, if you take a look here, before the price of this BSC pad 6 months ago, according to information I got, was around $4 to $5. So let me check the highs and the lows. Okay, like I said, the previous price of this coin was $7. Okay, so note this BSC pad is not tradable. Like you can't trade it on the Binance exchange and stuff. It's just used for you to qualify for projects under the BSC blockchain on the Binance Launchpad. Okay, so it used to be $7. Okay, so before, for you to gain, for you to enter the position of this bronze, you need $7,000. Presently, it's $522. As you can see here, $522. So this information is coming at the right time because the token is presently at a deep, it's presently at a discount price. So if you have money, you can get into this. Let me explain the package for the whales, or I'll call it big boys, like Mr. Nice said. Okay, so on this BSC pad, there are many possibilities in this BSC pad. I'll be talking about the staking and also this, what you're seeing on the screen now, these packages, the platinum, the diamond, and the blue diamond. So let me explain the platinum, the diamond, and the blue diamond first. Now, for you to get into the platinum package, you need 10,000 of BSC pad. So if I will do my maths, okay, 10, 1, 2, 3, 10,000 times 0.522. So that is approximately $5,220. Let's say $5K to round it up. You need approximately like over $5K to get into this position. And if you do this, if you subscribe for this position, you gain free whitelist. So no need for you to go on their social and like, comment, and Twitter, all those stressful stuff. No, you gain whitelist immediately. Your allocation is confirmed. Yes, you gain it, and the pool rate is 10. Yes, so it's just like a percentage which you gain, the percentage which you can buy from the coin. Okay, so that is the pool rate. Okay, guys, so same as for the diamond, which is 25,000 BSC pad. Now, note, if you buy this BSC pad, it's just for you to hold it. Okay, so you're not going to use your BSC pad to purchase the tokens from this new project. No, once you have it, it's like a ticket. Once you have it, you just keep it and you'll be gaining access to those projects, to the initial DEX offering, the IDO stocks, like initial DEX offering. Yes, okay. And this one for the diamond, you gain 30 pull rate. Now, coming to this blue diamond, the blue diamond I'll call it is for the whales. Yes, for the whales, the big boys. So, presently, if you have money, you can get into this. This BSC pad is trusted, is owned by CZ, it's owned by Binance Exchange. It's not a platform that can crash. If this platform is to crash, that means you're saying Binance Exchange too will crash. Which we know that as long as cryptocurrency lasts, Binance Exchange is the forefront, or like it's the biggest exchange for crypto trading and investing. Okay, for this BSC, for this blue diamond, you get 60 pool rates plus private allocation. This private allocation is for once you have 75,000 BSC pad, okay? So you can, projects will contact you through this platform. You see, they will be giving some access to projects at a more discount rate than these other ones you are seeing here, than this 60, the 30, or the 10. Okay, so you gain private allocations. You'll be among those that will raise the seed money for the coin. Okay, so this is very nice. This is mind blowing. This will change your life. This information is very expensive. I got it for free, so I'm also sharing it to you guys for free. I'm just passing out the knowledge. So if you have money, you can do your own research on this and see how it goes and invest in it. Okay. Note, it's not the financial advice. As you can see, the price of BSC pad used to be $7. Presently, it's at 52 cents. Okay, like I said, you don't trade BSC pad. Okay, you just hold it to gain access to IDOs. Okay, so this BSC pad. Okay, what if now as the price dips and you can't trade it and you're just holding it and your money is down? Now that is where you can stake your BSC pad. Yes, you can stake your BSC pad and make profits, which is here. This staking, okay. So there is APY for it, for annual profit yield. So it's a yearly yield and it's 15%. Okay, presently they have about 11,195 people that have staked their BSC pad. This is the total amount of BSC pad that will be staked on the site. Okay, so once you get into any position, you can stake it, and so long as you have it in your BSC pad, you gain access to IDOs. So don't worry about that. So all you just need to do, you just do it, and you can go for a lower package. Like, let me scroll down. You can buy the platinum or the diamond, and once you stake it, you can continue staking it. Before you know, you have money to purchase the blue diamond package. Okay, so now you may say the price of BSC pad is very low, but note, this BSC pad is owned by Binance, and it is very easy once the market gains momentum. It's very easy for it to go back to the former price. CZ will just pump in money into it, like how, according to what, quoting Mr. Nice, what he said. Okay, so BSC, so CZ can just pump in money and get it back on track and attract investors and whales, and before you know, the price can even shoot to $10. So you'll be making money from, if the price of this coin goes up. You also be making money from flipping IDOs. Yes, I've gotten into some IDOs, which, to be honest with you, I made some profit which I didn't take out, and the dip caught me, so I'm still recovering from that. Okay, so now how can you get this BSC Launchpad? Since you can't buy it on Binance and stuff like that, you can purchase it on PancakeSwap, MEXC, and Gate.io. I think these exchanges are very popular. You can check them up and purchase the BSC. And once you click on it, my wallet is not yet connected, so the wallet you can use, I have extensions of MetaMask. You can also have the BSC, which is supported by Trust Wallet. Yes, so you can use, if you're using your phone, you can use the Trust Wallet or the MetaMask. So anyone you choose, anyone you're used to is will work. So saying that will be all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've gotten some information from it. So just let me know what you don't understand in the comments section. If this video is very helpful, please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make this type of videos. Okay, and also leave a like. You can either dislike or like this video. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.